All right, so this is the Henderson Community Church website that I just completed. And as you can see here, it is a Bootstrap website. Some of the components are HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, jQuery, and of course Bootstrap. This is a multi-functional website with at least 28 pages of information explaining what the church is about, some of the services they provide, some of their congregation, and also just some things for new members. I will be taking you a tour or through a tour on the website, and so we can go from there. All right, so as you can tell, this is part of the home page. And of course, we have a comment box on the bottom that has a Google map embedded with some information. You click send. This is a validation input box or contact form, meaning that the user needs to fill out every box in order to continue. Then you just send the message and then it goes right to the recipient. Then a lot of these pages are just informational. So I'm not going to touch on every single page, but you're going to get an idea on the layout of each page and what it is. So this is the BIOS page. It's very simple. Has some column layouts, rows, paragraphs, some basic textual or visual elements to it. And then each button is a outline primary button as part of the Bootstrap styling. And so whenever users do go ahead and click on these buttons, they'd be connected to whatever it's going to direct to. So this goes to the contact page. As you can tell, every single page has its own hero image, and then of course our standard contact form, so the user can go ahead and send in the form. Career openings, join the team, serve with them, so on and so forth. And then this is the standard 404 page for a page that has not yet been developed. Some of this information right now, sermons, the church is working on a audio and video component to record their sermons. So unfortunately, they do not have anything currently to upload. But so when a user does click on this, they would get this nice page right here, and then obviously a contact form right there. I do want to point out that this is not WordPress. This is not a CRM. This is a custom hand-coded website. So it's very, very different than a traditional WordPress site. And so as the web developer, I would go in and make any type of content revisions through the code and display them or upload them to the hosting server when ready. Some of the programs they have, VBS, they have a children's program, and then pastoral ministry, or a pastoral counseling ministry rather, and then the events. We'll go ahead and click on that. This is the events hero, of course, and then their events calendar. Very smooth layout. Of course, the user could go to a contact page, then so on and so forth. And then they could do event rentals as well. so on and so forth. One thing is this is a responsive website, meaning that it is mobile capable. Get rid of those windows. And meaning that this is mobile compatible. And it has the nice smooth left menu onto the side where users could go ahead from their mobile devices, access all the pages. And then one thing I do want to point out, let's go back to the regular website, is the giving portal. This is an external link that opens up a website where users could go ahead and give. Then this is not part of the Henderson community layout or website. This is an external third-party company that users could go ahead and give to the church or tithe, either weekly, monthly, and etc. Now, the source code is not uploaded to GitHub because this is a live website, but you're welcome to always visit it at hendersonchurch.org. And please shoot me an email or a comment on this video thread whenever you're ready. All right, thank you very much. Have a great day.